What should be included in the signature format when signing on behalf of someone?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about a situation that you might encounter in both personal and professional life, signing on behalf of someone else. It's a common scenario, but it must be done correctly to be legally valid. Today, we will walk you through the essential components of the signature format that should be used in such situations.
When can you sign on behalf of someone?
Before we dive into the signature format, it's essential to understand when you can sign on behalf of someone else. Typically, you should have a legal authority like power of attorney, or be authorized via an official document or position, such as being an executive assistant or a company secretary. Without appropriate authorization, signing on someone else's behalf can be illegal.
How should you sign?
Now let's get to the key part: how to sign on behalf of someone else. 1. Start by writing out your own signature. This is crucial because it shows that it's not the other person signing, but rather someone authorized to do so. 2. Indicate that you're signing on someone else's behalf. After your signature, write page P, which stands for per procurationem, a Latin phrase meaning through the agency of. This shows that you are signing on behalf of someone else. 3. Write the name of the person on whose behalf you're signing. This makes it clear whose authority you are acting under. For example, if your name is John Smith and you're signing on behalf of Jane Doe, your signature would look something like this: John Smith, page P, Jane Doe.
What else should you include?
In addition to the signature format, you may also need to include other elements in your documentation, depending on the situation. These might include date. This can help determine when the document was signed and if it's still valid. Your title or position, if relevant. This clarifies why you're authorized to sign on behalf of the other person. Any specific reference to the authorization you have to sign on behalf of the person, for instance, under power of attorney, if applicable. That wraps up our discussion on how to properly sign on behalf of someone else. This process might seem formal, but it's necessary to ensure legality and avoid any misunderstandings. Remember, always sign your own name, indicate that you're signing on someone else's behalf, and specify whose authority you're acting under. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content like this.